Dragon fruit, a nature's nutritional powerhouse. Dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage and inflammation. Research suggests that diets high in antioxidants may help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. Dietary fibers are beneficial carbohydrates that aid in digestive health, preventing constipation and contributing to a healthy gastrointestinal tract. They also protect against heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and weight gain. Vitamin C in dragon fruit strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. The fiber content in dragon fruit, along with its low fat and cholesterol levels, aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. Dragon fruit is one of the few fresh fruits that provide a source of iron, a vital component for transporting oxygen in the body and aiding in the breakdown of food for energy production. Additionally, dragon fruit is abundant in magnesium, which plays a key role in energy production, muscle function, bone health, and DNA synthesis. Dragon fruit is a low-calorie option, containing only around 50 to 60 calories per 100 grams, making it an excellent choice for those managing their weight. Its high water content contributes to hydration, promoting overall well-being. Incorporating dragon fruit into your diet can provide a range of health benefits, promoting overall wellness and vitality. However, it's important to consume it as part of a balanced diet and not solely rely on it for all essential nutrients.